You must have heard about the Google AI Edge Gallery that allows you to run local models on your device for free. And interesting part about it is that it doesn't require internet to use those AI models. But when you decide that you want to install the application, then you can install and open the Play Store and says that it's not compatible with your device. You see that is not compatible with your device, then you feel like, oh, I can't use it. And you want to try all these features, but it's not available. It's showing available on more devices on this particular device because it's running on Android for Android 12 above. But this phone which I'm using to record this video is running on Android 11, which is actually not supported and compatible because of the architecture and other requirement that's meant for the thing to work, which is not available on this device, which is not available on this device. Like I said, but what if I told you that you can actually run those models using another app, not the Google AI Gallery, and get those features as well? For instance, when I type over here, now you can see it responds, and it responds in 9.49 token per second. And see, I'm using a model called Solmem 2135 MA struct, and it's running on this Android, which they said is uncompatible. And I'm going to be showing you how to do this on your uncompatible device. So it's very easy. All you have to do is just go to your Play Store. Where's Play Store? Yeah, this is it here. Go to your Play Store and search for this particular application called Pocket Pal AI. Then you click open. Yeah, this is the app which I was using. Then if you click on this navigation bar over there, click on that. Then you click on models. Yeah, models. Now it should load the available models. You can see Gemma 2BIT and many other models which you can run, and you can download them directly from this page. Then if you want to use Hug Face API, you just click on the settings over here. Then you scroll down, then you see set token. Then you can put your personal token just like there to use models from Hugging Face. Yeah. Then you can also import models just like I just like I did. I downloaded it from Chrome directly, and I'll put the link to this particular model in the description. And if you want to know how to download compatible models, comment drop a comment in the comment section so I can create a video about it. You just click on this add sign to open, then you click on add local model. Then I clicked on this. Yeah, this is the application. That is the file. This is it. Then you can see copying model file. So wait for it. Okay, now it is already loaded. You can see over there. Then I'll click on load. Now the previous chat is still there, so we can just click here for a new chat. Then I'll type can you code. Okay, you can see it's generating the code already, and that's this which you can use to easily copy those code. So let's wait for it to bring all the code out, and it's coding C sharp. Okay, this is a C sharp code. A calculator. Now this is that calculates the sum of all prime factors of a given number. That is it. Now this code works as followed. It defines a variable prime factor that stores the prime factor of a given number. It first prompts the user to enter a number, convert it to an integer using the convert function. Okay, convert dot to integer 32, then calculate the number of prime factors using the loop function. So it's actually doing a summary of what the code does, which is amazing to see the local AI model running on a device which is said to be uncompatible. But there is something that you need to watch out for, and it's very important so you don't get errors and you don't get issue using this. So stay tuned because I'm still going to show you what that those things that you need to do so you don't get errors and able to run this on the device which is said to be uncompatible. Now let's test run if it works offline. Then I'm going to on my airplane mode. Then go back again. As you can see the internet is T off. So I'll type A. Let me see. Okay. Thanks. Then I'll send that. You can see. You are welcome. I'm sorry for any confusion caused by the missing line. Here is the complete sheet name, which is actually not needed. So, just to prove that it's working offline, just like which Google AI Gallery said work offline. So, if you want to run AI models on a device which is said is uncompatible, what I said is that you need to make sure that those models you want to download is actually, and you have enough space. You should have enough space so you can run those models. Then two, those models you want to install should also consider the RAM of your device to run it because it's RAM. And those model you want to install, make sure it's around 1 to 2B. 1 to 2B. Don't try to install 4B and all those higher digits. The app might crash and might close. So ensure to run model that is relating to your device RAM and its storage. Then also go to settings and set the context size to 1024. Usually you see something like 2000, something like that. So set it to this and ensure you enable memory mapping, then enable this which is usually set by default. Then all this, just ensure to do all these settings as you can see there. Then we're able to use the chat. Well, so you can actually add different models. Assuming there's other models now, able to select between two models, so you can export and also import as you can see there. Then they also inside the app you have the, let the network come back again. Oh my again. Okay, yeah, that's it. When you click back, you can see if you click on pause, you see you can sign in so you can get libraries. So we have local. It's meant to load those models. Yeah, I can see they have other plugins which can integrate. You can see other modules which can integrate and supercharge your chat. So that's how to run local AI models, local AI models on your Android device, especially if Google AI Gallery is not compatible with your device. So don't forget to click on the like and subscribe button if you find this video very useful. It helps us to improve and keep showing you content just like this. Thanks for watching.